Hi everyone, let's make Greek chicken bowl with tzatziki sauce, which has 471 calories in a bowl and over 50 grams of protein per serving. You would love to make this for a quick weeknight dinner, which is loaded with healthy greens and high protein.
So to begin the recipe, I have taken 500 grams of lean chicken breast. To this I'm going to add 1 cup of yogurt, minced garlic, chopped shallots, cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, and a bit of salt. Drizzle some olive oil, marinate the chicken with all the spices. Cook the chicken over medium-low heat for just 8 minutes. So you can see my chicken is perfectly cooked right now. Let's assemble the bowl. So to make the tzatziki sauce, I'll first take yogurt in a bowl, grated cucumber, minced garlic, chopped parsley, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a bit of olive oil. Now whisk everything to make your tzatziki sauce ready. Assemble the bowl. I'll first add some chopped green lettuce, chopped red lettuce, the cooked chicken, chopped avocados, top with some crumbled feta cheese. Add the tzatziki sauce on top. Top with a sprig of basil, and this is ready to serve. Loaded chicken tzatziki bowl offers a fun weeknight dinner that is so easy to make and so delicious. Loaded with lots of healthy greens like curly lettuce, avocado, cucumber. This has all the healthy ingredients that you need and a perfect Greek inspired bowl that is just so good. I have made my homemade tzatziki sauce. This is so easy to make. You can also buy a store-bought version, but this is the best. I'll simply drizzle this on top of my chicken. And you can see how wonderful this is looking. Hope you like the recipe for this Greek chicken with tzatziki sauce. If you have any questions, you can comment below so that I can answer them for you. Also, which next healthy recipe you want to see up on my channel, do comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for new updates and have a great day.